Hi, I'm Matt Barbady, technical trainer at Desktop Metal, and in this video we're going to show you the simple process of changing materials on the Studio printer. With other machines, changing material could take hours. With the Studio printer, all you need to do is change out 4 parts: the media cartridges, the flipper tray, the printhead, and the brush. The first step is to change out our media cartridges. As you can see, we were printing in 17.4, and we're going to get set up to print in 4140. A quick push on the cartridges to release, and they'll pop right out. And now, we can go ahead and slide our new cartridges into place. While it may make sense why we change out the media cartridges, the next 3 components may not be so obvious. It all comes down to contamination. What we've done is identified all 3 points at which there is a potential for cross-contamination and made it very easy for the user to swap these out. The first of these is the feed tray. The purpose of the feed tray is to orient the media rod from a horizontal to a vertical position and then feed it into the printhead below. And just like the media cartridges, you simply push on it to release and then go ahead and replace it with the tray dedicated to 4140. Once the feed tray has been replaced, we'll head on into the printer and swap out the printheads. As you can see, we have 2 printheads down here. The one here on the right is for the ceramic interface media, and since we're going from 17.4 to 4140, we don't need to worry about changing this one. The printhead here on the left is the one that handles the metal media, so we'll go ahead and get this swapped out. All you need to do to release the printhead is press down on this red slide release button, and then simply pull it towards you. Now, just reverse the process in order to attach your new printhead. And finally, replacing the nozzle cleaning brush. Remove the dump bucket, pull out the old brush, and slide in the new. So that's it. Now we're ready to start our 4140 print. As you can see, by identifying all the critical points of media contact and making them easy to swap out, we've created a process that takes only minutes instead of hours or days. For more information on available materials and the rest of the Studio system, head on over to desktopmetal.com.